Hey guys, welcome to Car City Inc. Here's another new arrival at our store. 2013 Ford F-150 XLT 4-wheel drive, extended cab with 101,000 miles. Nice looking pickup truck in a great shape. It's got hardtop cover on the bed. It is 4x4, parking sensors and the bumper. Nice looking body, nice and clean. Running boards, alloy wheels, nice tires. It runs and drives great, detailed, inspected, front row ready. Past safety inspection, went through our shop, fresh oil in it. Let's take a peek on the interior. It is nice and clean. Beautiful Ford running boards. It's got keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, traction control. Glass interior in a great shape, nice and clean. Non-smoking. Here's the back seat in a great shape as well. No warning lights on the dash, guys. 101,000 miles. Just showing your door is open. AC blows ice cold. Nice and clean dashboard. No issues, no problems. AM, FM, aux, USB. It's got rear view camera. It is 4-wheel drive. Nice and clean all around. Let me just open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. Alloy wheels, tires. There you go. A 3.5 liter engine under the hood, V6, nice and clean, well kept, well maintained. 2013 Ford F-150 4-wheel drive XLT. If you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive it, please feel free to give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to stop by and take a look at this truck, you guys can find us at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois, and we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.